In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to today's daily note in Obsidian. Open the Obsidian app. Once it loads, you'll be on the main dashboard, which is the starting area where your notes and sidebar are visible. Go down to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. In Settings, click Core Plugins. Find Daily Notes, then turn that toggle on. This enables Obsidian's built-in daily note feature. Now look to the left ribbon and click the calendar page icon. This creates today's daily note. When the note opens, click into the editor and type, "Today's tasks and notes go here." Enter that slowly so the note has some content and exists as a real page you can open and link to. Next, open Settings again by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left. This time, click Community Plugins. Then select Turn on Community Plugins. This allows you to install extra features from the Obsidian plugin browser. Click Browse, then go to the search field and type Dataview. When Dataview appears in the results, click Install, then click Enable. After that, go to your plugin list, find Dataview, and click the gear icon next to it. In the Dataview settings, turn on Enable Inline Queries. That setting is what allows the dynamic date link to work directly inside a note. Now press Ctrl+N to create a new note. When the new note appears, title it Dashboard. Give that a moment so the title is clearly entered as Dashboard. In the body of the note, type the Dataview Inline Query exactly as shown on screen, including the backticks. Make sure you use the same characters you see on screen, since this query needs to match exactly in order to render properly. Once the query is entered, Obsidian will render a date link in the note. Click that Render Date link to verify it opens today's daily note. If it opens the daily note you created earlier, then the link is working correctly and it is pointing to today's note dynamically. At this point, you'll see it in your current account, and the setup is complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That is basically it, and you have successfully linked to today's daily note in Obsidian. Go ahead and try it now on your end. Congratulations!